Today I am going to explain the term lexical sets. A lexicon before going to in detail, I would like to explain the meaning of the term a lexical set. A lexical set is a set of words with the same topic, function or form. Forming lexical sets helps enrich one's vocabulary. To form a lexical set is to list words under a head word. The head word functions as a cue. The learner has to use the given head word as the title of that lexical set and list words related to the title. Forming lexical sets helps us learn new words or remember words that we already know. Learning new words empowers us as students of English, and the words that we remember in this process helps us make our passive vocabulary into the active vocabulary. The words we know and frequently use are part of our active vocabulary, whereas the words that we know but rarely use or do not use are part of our passive vocabulary. So, to become an effective user of English language, we have to maximize our active vocabulary and minimize the passive one. So, here I would like to mention what is the importance of lexical sets, or why do we study the lexical sets. We study the lexical sets to increase our passive vocabulary into the active vocabulary. Now, I am going to explain in detail the three types of lexical sets in detail. The first one type of the lexical set is topic oriented lexical sets. A topic oriented lexical set is a group of words with the same topic. For example, some of the words, for example, chalk, duster, blackboard, table, chair, benches. This is a list of objects seen in a classroom. So, these words can be grouped as a lexical set under the topic classroom. Second one type of lexical set I am going to introduce you, that is the function oriented lexical sets. A function oriented lexical set is a group of words with functional similarity. For example, I read some of the words: happily, clearly, bravely, quickly, easily. It is a list of words that function as adverbs. Hence, these words can be grouped as the lexical set or adverbs with ly suffix. The third one type of lexical set I am going to introduce you, that is the form oriented lexical sets. A form oriented lexical set is a group of words with formal or structural similarity. For example, the words ring, disc, ball, wheel, earth, circle, etc. It is a list of objects with a round structural form. So, these words can be grouped as the lexical set round shaped objects. For example, the shape of a ring is also round, the shape of ball is also round, wheel is round. That's why these are also under the head word form oriented lexical sets. The above classification of lexical sets is made for an overall understanding of the concept lexical set. The division between these three types of lexical sets is not very rigid. Some words in a particular lexical set may have topical, functional, or formal similarities at the same time. Lexical sets are form with the practical purpose of enriching one's vocabulary and not much for the purpose of a theoretical classification of words. Now, here as a sample, I would like to use the head word, for example, animals. Uh, there are different types of animals: lion, tiger, elephant, camel, cow, buffalo, donkey, dog, cat, python, crocodile, snail, rat, squirrel, etc. In the above lexical set, different animals are listed. These animals can be further classified into the subsets, for example, wild animals, pet animals, reptiles, rodents. In this way, one lexical set can give rise to many lexical subsets. Then I'm going to explain the second one lexical set, that is vehicles. There are different types of vehicles, for example, truck, bus, car, van, bulldozer, bicycle, moped, motorcycle, scooter, aeroplane, helicopter, satellite, ship, raft, yacht, submarine. In the above lexical set, different kinds of vehicles are listed. But these vehicles can be further classified into the subsets, for example, road vehicles, aerial vehicles, water vehicles, two wheelers, four wheelers, etc. Thus, the present lexical set also can give rise to many lexical subsets. In this way, today's lecture, I would mention some of the lexical sets with the examples. Thank you very much.